Hey, what's up?
Not much, you?
You know, I'm actually kind of mad.
Really? Why?
So we're in class, right? And the teacher is talking to us about bird migrations. And we talk about all sorts of beasts, like Canadian geese, sandhill cranes, hummingbirds. So we got PowerPoints, pictures, and the whole deal. And this lady asked us why we think birds fly south for the winter.
Wait, you're upset because your teacher was talking about migratory birds?
No, not at all. I'm mad because when she asked us this question, why do birds fly south for the winter, a lot of us provided excellent, thought-provoking reasons on why birds might fly south for the winter.
Like to get away from the cold?
Yeah, things like how the climate affects their food sources or if they're finding a mate. All sorts of reasons. It was a really good demonstration.
So wait, I don't get it. You sound like you had a great discussion over migratory birds in science, but you're mad about it?
Yes, because we were having this discussion. She said all of our reasons we gave were wrong, even though we located the sections on the book showing we were right.
That doesn't make any sense. If it's in the book, it has to be right?
You think, but do you know why she said birds fly south for the winter?
Well, no, those reasons are all wrong, and I don't know why birds fly south for the winter.
Well, get this. She said birds fly south for the winter because it beats walking. Get it? It beats walking?
I have to get to class.
Action.